I'm Sam. You're gonna ride shotgun with me today. So y'all come on along. We're gonna be going to check out a 72 Dodge Challenger for a client of mine. Not further in my singing career.
The Texas economy continues to be one of the hottest in the country.
You just don't know what I'm gonna run into along the way. There's a lot more to Texas than these old cows, y'all. So y'all sit back and enjoy the show while I play with my little dog here.
You're like me and you got an old AMG Mercedes you maintain. Keep some tires for the thing.
Alas, the 1972 model year took away our beloved 383s and 440s. Fortunately, we had the hot little 340. You just don't know what folks have tucked away in these old barns and buildings.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Eubank Street.
These old iron bridges are cool. Yeehaw!
Continue on Texas 56 West for 3/4 of a mile.
Folks, she's a 1972 Dodge Challenger Rallye. You're looking at chrome sport mirrors, black vinyl top, Magnum 500 wheels, Rally side stripes. We've got the sport hood. That's one fine piece of American muscle. That gold sure is pretty in the sunlight. Just listen to that bad boy. Power would be dialed back for the big boy to 240 net horsepower or 179 kilowatts. Torque was rated at 290 foot-pounds or 393 newton-meters. Hold on there, partner. When the 340 debuted in 1968, she was rated at 275 horsepower and 340 foot-pounds of torque.
Little spot there. We've got a few mazels in it. Doesn't look like it's too terrible. See some of the imperfections in the paint as we go through the light that you don't see at first opportunity. Sometimes you have to play with the light and let it dance across the surface to find those imperfections. Watch the light on the trunk lid. See that spot? Let's do it again. Just a little mazel. It's an old car. They're all old cars. I've never seen a perfect one.
Nothing's perfect.
Got an 8 3/4 show grip differential under here, boys. Don't worry, folks. I'm okay. I think it's time we get her out on the road. I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready to hear that 340 sing. Ooh, she sounds good too. I knew it would. No smoke. So that was a lot of fun.